Hello students, today we will we'll continue with chapter 2.2 in the part 1. We will start with page number 32 where we had stopped. Yes, the second last paragraph, the mother beams with joy at the words of her daughter. Yes, who daughter? Lintoy. As a matter of fact, mother is the fountain of love in a family. Yes, students, you might be saying your mother. Yes, a fountain of love. Yes, she has so much love. For whom? For the family, for the people around her. This bond of love is beyond comparison and there is no match. It is beyond comparison with anything else in the world. It is because of this that motherhood has been glorified. A motherhood has been praised. Yes, a woman who becomes a mother, yes, she is praised for a sacrifice. Why? Because she faces so much challenges, and women accept the challenges in life to become a mother. They accept, they take up the challenges. Yes, you might have heard of so many women who have given up their careers to become a mother. Yes, they don't bother that, oh, I'm at high post, I'm a sports personality, I don't want to be a mother. No, first their choice will be to become a mother. And that is why these women are glorified, they are praised. Yes, now showing deep affection, Ashangbi continues. She speaks about the woman, the equality. Poiner women testify to the equality of women in men. Poiner women means women in leadership who are in the forefront in leadership. Testify means they prove to the equality of women with men. Yes, equality of the women with men. Actually, life is not possible without both women and men. And life is not possible without both women and men. Okay? Life is always important with both these members of the family. If women are not there, can the men survive? No. If men are not there, can women survive? No. You might be seeing the men, of course, they do the work, they bring money for the family, but it is the woman who looks after the family, cares for the children, for the health of the family, looks after the nourishment, whether the family members are getting proper food, and all such things, the requirements. Lantoy has been fascinated, and Lantoy has always been fascinated. Fascinated means interested, wonderstruck. Yes, she has been amazed by the stories of pioneer women, by the stories of women who are in leadership, in leaders, yes, who are at the top. Her grandmother had narrated many stories of the brave queens, of many brave queens, like Lintong Gambi, yes, and Kuranga Nayani, yes, Kuranga Nayani and Lintoin Gambi. These are the women who had ruled long term back, and they were as brave as kings. They took same leadership skill, fought against the enemies, protected their kingdoms. Now talking about our country, you might have heard of Rani Lakshmi Bai. Yes, we still remember her. For what? For her bravery. How she fought the British, the mighty Britishers. She organized the army, and that also with her child at the back. Yes, she did not leave her child in someone's care. She took her child, adopted child on her back, and on the horse she fought with the Britishers. Yes, so these are the brave women. Today also you might be seeing many brave women. Yes, like our politicians, some of the ladies in the politics, correct? Like Mamta Banerjee, Indira Gandhi, and so many more. Sonia Gandhi, all they are women who are in leadership. Yes, in leadership. Among the common people also. Among the common people. Now, a woman hasn't to be a queen or a minister or a politician. Yes, a common lady, a housewife also achieves greatness when she looks after her family. These women, as a grandmother narrated, were makers of the home. Makers of home means they looked after their home, family, society, and the nation. They did not like, come on, only we have to look after the nation, so forget the family. No, they looked after the family, they looked after the society. Now, main is society means what? You know, students, a woman is carefully scrutinized, watched in the society. If you go to see, if a woman does something wrong, what will people in society say? Oh, she's bad character. But if a man does something wrong, oh, I say, yeah, a man is a man. But women have to be more careful. And these women have to take all the care. They have to take the responsibility. Yes, who claimed their shares. Now they were civilizing influences. Civilizing means educating. Not educating means in high degrees and high posts and all. Educating means who gives some lessons to us. Yes, a lesson of being a hard worker, a lesson of sacrifice, a lesson of love, affection. Yes, you might be seeing some of the movies also where women save her children and she takes the challenges, she faces the difficulties. At the same time, they were also adventurers. Adventurers means they took up challenges, great challenges, who claimed their shares in free land, plowed and raised crops. Yes, they fought for their land. They plowed crops, not plowing not only for the men, the women also did the same work. Raised crops with their own hands and drove cattle. We think all this is work of a farmer, a man. No. In many places, women does do the same work. Okay? Modern women have become mountaineers, and today's women, modern time, they have become mountaineers. Yes, climb high mountains. Yes, then naturalists. Naturalists means going into the jungles, trying to protect wild animals, save the trees. Yes, taking care of nature. Astronauts. Who will not forget? Who will forget Kalpana Chawla, an astronaut? Yes, and many more. Sunita Williams, and so many more. Scientists. Yes, great scientists, women scientists. Okay, soldiers. Today women are also soldiers. Yes, they are there protecting. They are pilots, fighter pilots. Yes, trying to save the country. And political leaders, as I have named some. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do. Yes, so what does this prove? That women can do everything possible. It's nothing like that women cannot do. Yes, they can become mountaineers, climb high mountains, where first this was only the privilege of men. Naturalist, you might have seen some TV programs, Man and the Wild, where women also go there. Yes, they fight the wild animals. Sometimes they come across them and they fight them or they save themselves. They are also going to the space, scientists, yes, and so many more fields. Women have achieved success. This proves that there is nothing a woman cannot do, and this proves that women can do everything that a man can do. And also that women and men were created equals. So this proves that women and men are created equals. Yes, so students, now in this part we will stop till here. We will continue in the next part, because see, students, please pay attention. See that the difficult words are marked. Yes, because there are exercises where you will be asked the meanings. So always whenever you all are attending the lectures, see that you all write the meanings with pencils. Okay, we'll continue in the next part.